In this video, we will continue the pattern command and we will know about axis pattern. With the axis pattern, we can create radial pattern. It means pattern with respect to an angle. So to understand the fundamentals of this radial pattern, let us create some feature first. So I select extrude, click on this extrude and then select this top plane and then I draw a circle. Take a circle, give it diameter. Suppose I take the diameter 100, press enter and then click OK. The height we can take, suppose I take this value 10. Okay, 10 is good. I click OK and then I have to create one more extrude. So I select this extrude once again, select this top face and sketch view. I draw a circle once again, draw a smaller circle. The diameter of the circle we can take 10 and the position, suppose I take this value 15 and then click OK. The height we can take, suppose I take value 15. Okay, 15 is good and click OK. And now we have to create the pattern of this circle. So I select this extrude 2. We can select the pattern from here, click on this pattern and then in the type of pattern I select axis pattern. As the name suggests, we have to select the reference for the pattern and the reference for axis pattern will be a datum axis. So we can find the datum axis for the cylinder. I zoom in onto the cylinder and now we can see the datum axis. So I click on this datum axis and then define the parameters. The first parameter is number of pattern. Okay, it is good 4 and then angle for between patterns and the total angle is 360 and then click OK. And in this way we have created the axis pattern. In this pattern we have some more options. So I go to this pattern and select edit definition and we can also specify the second direction for this pattern. So I select this dimension, click on this dimension and the dimension I can specify it as, suppose I select this 15 dimension and the increment, let's say I don't want any increment, so I insert the value 0, press enter and then we have to specify the number of pattern. Suppose number of pattern I take 3, press enter and then we have to specify the distance between those patterns and the distance, suppose I take 20, press enter and the number of pattern let me take 2 because 3 will go outside the model and then click OK. I zoom in onto this part and now we can have preview of the radial pattern. We can also insert the increment in this pattern. So once again I go to this pattern and select edit definition, go to this dimension. Suppose the increment I can take 5 just like we do in the dimension pattern. Increment I take 5, press enter and then click OK. And now we can see the patterns are going outside the model. So that is why it is not advisable to increase the value of incremental. So I can take this value of increment 0, press enter and then click OK. So in this way we can insert the radial pattern or axis pattern.